Python core data structures. Okay, this is about Python. Okay, so guys, you can see here. So as a beginner, as a fresher, what you need to learn, what are the basic things you can learn in Python, because there are so many things. Okay, Python is very vast. You can develop any kind of applications, whether web applications or games, or you can do data analysis. You can develop any application software. You can develop system softwares, graphics designing, page designing, so many things. Okay, so Python is a versatile language, so you can learn for any purpose, technical purpose. You can use Python programming language. So as a beginner, so first time you are learning Python, so what are the main or key topics you need to learn? Okay, so you can see here I have. So let me zoom out this. Okay, yes. So I think okay, yeah. So now you can see. Okay, so now you can see. So unit 1, starting Python and basics of Python language. So in this section, so this uh, okay, so here, so you can see here. So what is Python? So learn why Python for data science, programming models of Python, how to install Python, how to what is simple input output. Okay, okay, it means how to write a simple input output coding in Python. Basic overview. Work with numbers, basic data types, variables, input data types, control structures, if condition, while loop, for loop, break and continue. These are very fundamental topics of any programming language. Okay, operators in Python, arithmetic operators, very important. Okay, operators are very important, but already if you have learned any language, then though no need to worry, because most of the thing you will find very simple. Okay, theoretical concept is simple. Only change what, how you can implement these operators in Python programming language. So implementation is not very difficult compared to other programming languages. So you will find similar things here. If you already know other programming language, if you don't know, don't worry. So very easy to learn. Then Python core data structures. Okay, so these are things you will find something different. Strings. Okay, so strings are very important for any programming language or for web development, especially in the current time. The role of strings have emphasized. So you all know there are only two. So broadly, we can define any data in two categories, either numeric or string type, text type. So string becomes very important, and in Python programming language, it is a data structure. Then come to the list, tuples, dictionaries, set, list comprehensions. Okay, so then regular expressions, lambda functions, map, filter, reduce. Okay, so there are many things you are finding that is not available in other language, but first time you will get in Python programming language. And these things, these concepts are very helpful to learn Python program. Okay, then comes to functions, modules, and object oriented programming. Okay, so these things are very simple, so don't go to the terminology, but learning these things are very cakewalk, so you can learn very easily. Just you have to give your time, you have to do hands-on practice, you have to follow the guidelines the instructions will give you. Okay, so exception handling, file input output. Okay, so these things are at a beginner level, these things are not so much important, so not even in any interview these things are going to be asked. Okay, and learning these things are also very easy, so no, don't worry about the unit 4. Okay, so now come to the new unit 5, Python libraries. So pandas, matplotlib, so there are so many libraries. Okay, so I will tell you there are more than 1 lakh library Python libraries. Okay, so you cannot even spell the name of all the libraries. So this is the huge. So but you have to know what you want to do. Okay, if you want to be a data analyst, then you must learn pandas, matplotlib, seaborn, and some other libraries. If you want to develop models, if you want to build models, then you must learn scikit-learn, uh, TensorFlow, so Keras. These libraries you must learn. Okay, so NLTK for natural language processing, So these things are here. So I will start from the first topic. So what is Python? Okay. So first and foremost, Python is a programming language, very popular, very simple programming language. Okay, anyone can learn, even under a school student. So those who yeah. So in the National Education Policy 2020, so Python has been the concept of Python is given is starting from the class 6 standard 6 only. Okay, so standard 6, 7th, 8th, you will find the concept of Python. Then you will find the Python and the data structure of Python in class 11th, 12th in CBSE boards. So because Python is very easy to learn, okay, and it opens a wide door for your career opportunity, because right now almost every software or any application, AI applications, is being used with the help of Python libraries. So just be with me and learn the concept of Python. So okay, so without talking too much things, so why Python? Okay, so just as I have told you, why Python for data science? So because Python is very popular and very easy to implement and use. Okay, so if you so okay, so these things I have already talked. So other programming language. So right now you have come here to learn about Python programming. So just focus on that. If you have earlier learned any other programming language, then it would be a very very cakewalk. If you have not learned other programming language, this is your first language. That's also well and good. Okay, so no need to worry. So let's start how to install Python. So installation of Python is very easy. Just go to the website of Python. Okay, so just go to the Google browser, and in browser type Python. Okay, python.org. Okay, so things were there, python.org. Okay, Python, just type Python in the Google search box. Okay, so here is python.org downloads. Okay, so go here. Okay, python.org. So this is the website. So I have just clicked on download. So come here, and you can see here download Python 3.0. So never go the latest version. Okay, this is the latest version. So I will practice. So for practice purpose, we will use the some back version of the Python. Okay, so I will try to take 3.98. Okay, so I'm trying to find out the 3.7 version. Okay, okay. So yes, we can go with 3.9 version. Okay, we'll wait. No need to worry. We can also download download this one. Later on, we will set. Okay, so yes, you can download the latest version of the Python, but you can choose during the programming. You can set which version of Python you want to learn. Okay, so no need to worry. You can download this one. So as I have told you, Python is very flexible programming language. It gives you a lot of opportunity, abundance of opportunity, and learning opportunity. Okay, so no need to worry, you can just download this one, and later we will set. I will tell you how to set the different versions in your programming. Okay, so if you have downloaded, then just go to the downloaded file and install that one. Just click on that, double click, and just follow the link. Instructions appear on your screen, and then follow the screen, and last close. Okay, click on the close. So now you can check whether Python has been installed. So just click window button, and window button, or just open the command prompt, or find out conda. Okay, conda. Just type conda. Uh, okay, okay. Mm. Okay, so just open command prompt. Open command prompt and type Python here. Okay. Okay. So on command prompt, type Python and click enter. So you will see the version of Python. So right now in my computer Python 3.7.9 has been installed. So this is the C command line interface. You can also write codes here. Okay, for example, let's see, just for example, see how Python is simple. 2 plus 3, just enter this one and you will see the result. If you want to print any text, for example, your name, so just click your, write your name in double quote or single quote. Okay, both are acceptable here. Okay, and you will see the result. Okay, so just exit this one. Hmm. So okay, so in the next session we will learn about in the so just we have learned about what Python installation. Okay, so in the next session we will learn about different programming, small examples, real life examples. Okay, so keep it up, guys. You can subscribe my channel and you can comment, and if you really like, then you can share with your friends and followers. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.